Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing for the February 2020 Birchbox Man. Just got it. I have no idea what's in it, so I'm going to be checking it out as you guys do. Alright, so for my sample choice item this month, I got the wall charger from Trend Labs. This seems like the best item for me to choose. See, it opens up here. They get a lot of products from Trend Labs. Little guide on how to use it, which is pretty self-explanatory. So basically, this plugs into your wall. And I believe it's got 4 ports on there, which is nice if you've got, phones, tablets, and all that stuff. So that's why I thought it would be the best thing to get. So that's our sample choice item, guys. Pretty decent one. All right, let's get into the box. I'll open it up. Oh, it's a pretty neat looking box this month. Little different. Okay, so when we open it up, here's what we're going to see. It says, going to bed with a clean face is one of the easiest ways to prevent breakouts. And on the back, as always, we have our card that tells us the products that are in the box and their full-size values. So let's check it out. Alright, starting number 1 here. The first one I can see, we'll just do that. It's from Journeyman. It's a men's body wash. Number 1, full size of this goes for $15, and it says it's a cypress and smoke scent. It's distinct but not overpowering. Cypress and smoke. That's kind of interesting. Let's actually smell it. Doesn't smell too bad, actually. Alright, so that's our first item. Okay, up next we have from Duke Cannon. Cold shower cooling field towers. Full size is $6.99. I've gotten these in a lot of boxes lately. They've been sending these almost like every other month or every 2 months. I've been getting them. Every 3 months I've been getting them. And they're actually really good. I really like them. They're great to keep in your DOP kit or in your gym bag or something like that. So I don't mind getting items that I do use. Okay, up next we have from Anthony. It's called Wake Up Call. Full size of that is $38. And it says, in the morning or when you're flying, massage a dime size amount over your face and neck. It's a potent gel that treats dryness and puffiness with green teas and caffeine, in case you were wondering. Okay, so next up we have from Vasanti. It's Brighten Up. It's an enzymatic face rejuvenator. Full size of this is $34. I actually got that before in another box, and I liked it. It was a nice wash. So I'm glad I got that again because I did enjoy it. And last up from Kiehl's is the Men's Oil Eliminator, and that's the 24-hour shine, and a full size of that is $27. So there you have it, guys. There's the Birchbox Man for February of 2020. Favorite item is probably going to be the Vasanti Brighten Up Exfoliator. It's a really good product. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, like and subscribe.